An internationally known organization by the name of Ekal Vidyalaya will be holding its annual fundraising concert as well as dinner in just a few weeks. The venue, the exact date, the time and who's performing, all that coming up from my interaction with Dr. Sudhir Saksaria, a well-known physician in the Metro DC area. Namaskar, Adab. Good morning to you. Welcome to Event Spotlight. Today I have with me, actually he's no stranger to GTV as he's been here many times on many different shows. He's a well-known physician in the Washington metro area. Kaun unhe nahi janta, jab shaan hai, shohrat hai, to obviously name and fame go hand in hand. His good name is Dr. Sudhir Saksaria. He is well versed not only in the physician field but also in many charitable organizations. And I guess खुदा ने उनको इतना दिया है तो वो अपने छप्पर फाड़ के जो है वो लोगों को humanitarian causes के लिए serve करते हैं. Let's have him on our set today and he's going to talk to us about what's called Ekal Vidyalaya. Are you ready? There he is.
Good morning, Nilma ji.
Good morning, sir. I love your purple.
I am always excited to be here, to see such a pretty face.
Thank you, thank you.
You look so gorgeous as usual.
Thank you, sir. I like your purple. I think you're very handsome.
It's a beautiful Saturday here, so.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Dr. Saksaria, I would like to talk to you about Ekal Vidyalaya. First of all, for our viewers who don't know much about Ekal Vidyalaya, tell us when was it founded and what is the cause of this Ekal Vidyalaya?
So, Ekal Vidyalaya was founded approximately 20 years ago, in 1991, and it is an absolutely amazing charitable organization. I can speak for a long time, but in a nutshell, in India, there is a very large tribal population of about 100 million people. 100 million people, with the illiteracy rate being approximately 80%. So if we imagine that, that's a pretty big number. These tribal villages are very ignored. There are no roads, no electricity, no water. So these are the ignored people of India. So we started this organization approximately 20 years ago to bring education to these children, because we feel that education is the ultimate light to these villages. And since then we've been very successful. The model is to bring one teacher to one village. So this, hence it is called Ekal. Ekal stands for single and Vidyalaya stands for school. So single teacher schools where we educate about 35 to 40 children in each village at $1 a day. So now I want to emphasize on that $1 a day has the power to change the lives of 40 children. This organization has been very successful. We have now reached about 57,000 villages. 57,000 villages, 57,000 schools, and we are educating approximately 1.5 million children. 1.5 million children. So it is a wonderfully, very transparent organization at the same time. Does very good job. More than 90% of the money that people donate goes to education of the children.
Wow, beautiful.
And very small percentage is spent on the organization itself.
That sounds excellent. Now here in the Washington metro area, obviously this is an umbrella organization, so many cities in the United States hold fundraising events.
Right.
Here in the Washington metro area, you've got your annual musical fundraising event coming up. Please tell us the date, the time, where will it be held and who is performing?
Sure, Nilma. So we are very excited. We do this very annually each year. This year, this musical event is being done in more like 50 cities in US. We are very blessed that in each city, we have like 50 volunteers. So Ekal is able to run at such a low cost because in every city, we have volunteers who spend hundreds of hours each year on this Ekal Vidyalaya. And this year, the musical event is being held on May 24th. May 24th is a Saturday. It is at 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. in Rockville. Scott Fitzgerald Theatre, which is a very well-known theatre.
And good acoustics too.
Very good acoustics, very good acoustics. We are also serving dinner from 6:30 to 7:30. So the event starts at 6:30 with dinner, and the musical night will start at 7:30 with a very short presentation on Ekel for about 5 or 7 minutes, and then we'll start the musical program with two very amazing singers. We've gotten very good reports about these singers. One is a lady called Vibhavri. She is considered the Nightingale of Gujarat. And the other is Sunil. Sunil actually was the Sare Gamapa winner in 2005.
Right.
So we have a very good event coming up on May 24th at 7:30.
Excellent. Now, obviously, this is a ticketed event, and what are the prices of the tickets?
So the tickets are very reasonably priced, and every dollar of the ticket goes back to support the schools. We have two-level tickets, $25 and $55, which includes the dinner.
Nice.
So it is a very, very reasonable price because we want a lot of the crowd to come, and our main purpose there is to raise schools.
No, sure.
Like I said again, $365 raises one school. So $1 a day per school. So this event is basically designed for fundraising for schools.
Of course, of course. Now, besides this, Dr. Suksaria, are there other events that Ekel Vidyalaya organizes throughout the year?
Yes, we do organize quite a few events. In the past few years, we have organized an Ekel Literacy Nature Walk.
Oh, wow.
Which is like a 5K walk in very scenic Rock Creek Park, where we've had about 300 to 400 walkers that have done that. Again, the walk money goes back to funding the schools. So we've done a lot of we also do a donor appreciation day each year where we have local talent, typically in the fall, and this is an appreciation for the donors. So we have local talent doing either a drama or a musical night and things of that sort.
Wow, excellent, excellent. Now, what kind of age group are you expecting at this musical evening?
Well, this musical evening is of course for all age groups. Everybody. I mean, I think children will also really enjoy it. These people are going to sing beautiful songs from old to all the new songs as well.
Oh yeah, I was about to say, what kind of genre, what music will they?
So the kids will love it because they'll have a lot of new songs.
Oh, lovely.
I think it'll be like 50% old songs and 50% new songs.
Oh wow. Are they coming with the band?
They are coming with a band. They have 3 band people that are also been coming here in the US for the last several years with the same team. Jay Kumar on drums and Dakshesh and Piyush Kumar.
I remember them very well. I remember them. Now, is there a website where supposedly a viewer wants more information?
Yes. So we have 2 websites. One is just ekel.org. And the other is ekeldc.org, ekeldc.org, where these people can get more information and also buy tickets. We have a very seamless ticket buying program where you don't spend any extra money on buying the ticket.
Sure, absolutely. And so it's very reasonably priced.
Very reasonably priced.
So there you go. It's entertainment and supporting a charity organization, which is a good cause, because they say if you lend or give $1, it's not that you will get it in return, but the man upstairs, the Lord, will help you. So I think it's you give and you get. I mean, that's the policy in life.
That's beautifully said, Nilima.
So I think that this is a good cause. And how many years have they been holding this musical evening? Do you know? Do you remember?
We've been doing it at least for the last 8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years, yeah.
You know, and it's been very successful. We have had very good artists from India. These artists are very good in the terms that they charge practically very little.
Nominal
So
amount.
very nominal. This is a service they are providing, where they travel all over the US to do these events. You know.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, Dr. Suksaria, before I let you go off the camera, I would like you to face the camera and say whatever you want to everyone that is watching you today.
You know, I really would like to go back to Ekel Vidyalaya as an entity. So, like I said again, Ekel Vidyalaya Foundation of USA is an organization that empowers children. It is a secular organization, non-partisan. We have schools all over India, including Kashmir. We educate people of all faiths. We want to empower children through education. However, in the last 5 years, we have incorporated the entire village development by having a healthcare program for healthcare preventive schemes, as well as livelihood for the village. So we've actually made this a little more broad spectrum, because we realize that through education, the teacher can also educate the villagers,
Of course,
with healthcare, as well as empowering them through civic empowerment as well. So they know their rights, you know, and can get empowered.
right. Oh, beautifully, wonderfully said. That was Dr. Sudhir Saksaria, a well-known physician in the Washington metro area, who's been with this organization, I believe, the last 15, 16 years now?
15 years. My dad has been involved for more than that, from the inception
so that's where
in
you
Bombay.
get it.
That's where I get it, yes. Thank you.
And it's always a good idea to, आपके बच्चों को भगवान ने इतना दिया है, so why not give a lending hand to another child, you know? That dollar is actually going to support the child, get them educated, and then not only in the United States of America, but in our motherland, India, it's a big support. So I'm for it, and I've served as their master of ceremony for the many, many years, and trust me, it's always house full. It's always sold out. So before it gets too late, I do encourage that please get a seat for yourselves. Enjoy the evening. एक दूसरे से मिलिएगा, खाना खाइएगा, मौज मस्ती करिएगा, and take warm memories back home.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a million, sir. Appreciate your time.
I always have a pleasure coming here.
Thank you, sir.